In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix screen resolution problem or display resolution grayed out on Windows 10 or 11 computer. Right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, you will find Display Adapter, expand it and right click on the Display Adapter and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and the best driver for your device are already installed. Close Device Manager. Your problem may be fixed. Now I am going to check. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on System. In left menu pane, click on Display. The display resolution is still grayed out. That means problem is not fixed. Now I am going to show you the second way. Close Settings. Right click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapter and right click on your display adapter and click on Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall and the display adapter is uninstalled. Now you need to restart your computer. Close Device Manager, click on Start menu, click on Power icon and then click on Restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. Now I am going to check. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System and in left menu pane click on Display and the display resolution is working right now and it's not grayed out and you can change display resolution as you require. That's it.